How to fix TikTok live comments not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, you can just go to the Play Store application and search for TikTok. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok application on your device. As you can see, there's an option of update available beside the TikTok application, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on TikTok application over here. So tap on app info over here and then it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you can see the option of clear all data and clear cache. You can just clear cache if you want, and if it's possible you can delete all data as well. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all these options of camera, contacts, files and media, microphone and other options as well. After that, you can just go to your TikTok application again and try to log in, and this might help you solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.